and me in individual capacity will stand with you and the entire family with the same resolve. So स्मिता जी, ये जो शो है ये आपका ही शो है. जिस समय आपको लगता है कि सुशांत की फाइट को वापस से शुरू किया जा सकता है, एक रेलेवेंट पेग है, समथिंग द सीबीआई सेज, आइदर द फैमिली सेज समथिंग, आई वुड टेक द फाइट फॉरवर्ड. आई हैव टोल्ड यू रिपीटेडली एंड आई स्टैंड वेरी फर्मली ऑन दैट.
थैंक यू सो मच प्रदीप जी. आप सीरियसली आप एक ब्रेव हार्ट है. जहाँ पर सारा मीडिया चुप हो गया, वन बाय वन एक एक करके सारे चैनल्स चुप हो गए, बट आपकी आवाज़ नहीं रुकी. एंड दैट्स व्हाई आई वांट टू सल्यूट यू फॉर योर स्टैंड विच यू हैव टेकन, एंड यू स्टिल stand firm, and still motivating all of us. We did a space live, actually first time, Priyanka, with Pradeep ji on 14th of June at midnight.
Yes.
And I spoke to you about it. So what is your reply to Pradeep ji regarding his answer?
Pradeep ji, I can only express my deepest gratitude for the conviction that you've shown me right now. But as a family member and as a uh, very disheartened sister, I'm also a lawyer. So if you can appreciate the silences or the nuances that we have to observe as a family member, that's why we are keeping quiet, and these quietness are measured, if I can say so, as a lawyer. So it's not that we are not there and we are not keeping a tab, or we are not constantly keeping communication on with the investigating agency. Is just that we are observing these silences so that nothing goes against the case, because as you would see and as public at large would be able to appreciate, there are very mighty forces involved here, and things are not simple. And unfortunately, it is a very convoluted state of affairs. They are not only one particular entity that we are after or we are fighting against. It is all nexus, and if I can go as far as saying it's a system presently, system in terms of the way media works primarily, the way entertainment industry works, the way political system works, all this, and also the mafia. And we can never forget that till late 90s, Bollywood was at the hem of Dawood's business. And to believe that it's no more there to conduct its affair in the entertainment industry would be very naive on our part. So all I can say, I can hint at this very deep nexus right now, and we are up against them. And so to be able to say certain things, we have to think 10 times so that it's not used against the case, and it may not debilitate the very cause of justice. So we keep quiet, and in my informed opinion, we only do what should be done and not publicize it, so that it doesn't give others the chance to derail the justice system, derail the whole going about, as you must have seen. Media is very keen on doing right now. When I say media, I mean popular media. So that's why when we are not doing, and it appears that we are not doing enough, don't for a moment think that we are not. Every moment, at least every moment of my life, now I live with Sushant 24 by 7. So everything we are doing with the hope and with the mentation in mind, that how to go about it, कि कैसे क्या maximum result मिल सके. तो वो जो चुप्पियां हैं इधर उधर, वो बहुत सोची समझी हैं. इसको प्लीज मिस्टेक मत कीजिएगा, is what I can appeal to everyone. Thank you.
Right, Priyanka, as you said, actually, ये जो चुप्पी है, naturally, अगर अगर सबसे ज्यादा आवाज किसी को उठानी, अगर सबसे ज्यादा तकलीफ किसी को है, जो मैं बार बार कहती भी हूँ कि अगर हम लोग क्या ही वो पेन को समझेंगे, somebody like so